Let's look at how to create this turtle dodging game. First, let's break it down. There are 3 components in the game: the window, the boss, and turtle. Now for each of these components, what do we need to do? For the window, we need to create the window, we need to update the window. If the boss move, the turtle move, we need to show the latest location. For the boss, we need to create the boss and we need to make sure they all move at a random speed. For the turtle, first we need to create the turtle. And next, we must be able to let user control the turtle to move it left and right. And last, we need to check if the turtle collides with any of the boss. First, let's import all the libraries we are going to use. Create the window first, set the size, the color, and the title. We want to turn off automatic update of the window. Next, we are going to create a boss, and the boss needs to be of different colors and shapes. So let's create 2 lists. Then we are going to use a for loop to create 10 boss. Every time we're going to choose a random color and a random shape. Make the boss start at a random location. Now let's create a turtle for the player to control. When we continue to create the game, we need to think about, do we need to use any functions? If we want the user to control the turtle to move left and right, we need certain functions. So let's go to the beginning of the file and define some functions. First function is to move left. We will decrease the x coordinate of turtle by 20. Let's copy paste this to create another function, move right. Instead of decrease, we will increase x by 20. And the next function we are going to use is to check if turtle collides with any of the boss. So if the distance between them is less than 20 pixels, we consider that they collide. And the last function is to check whether game over. When it is game over, we want to display certain text on the screen. Remember, if you want to control the turtle to move left and right, we need to map certain keys. So I will do win.listen, then I will map left arrow to the move left function, the right arrow to the move right function. So here comes the last step, to update the window, to move the boss and move the turtle. So as long as it's not game over yet, we'll update the window. For every ball in this animation, we are going to move it down by a random speed. But if the ball touches the bottom of the window, we are going to make it start from a random location from the top of the window. And for every ball, we are going to check if it collides with turtle, we have to do a game over. And remember to use the timer to slow down the loop a little bit. Ta-da! This is how the game is created.